Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube and I'm here in Australia living the good life. It's absolutely been pouring rain all Christmas, but on and off, but we've had lots of good family time, lots of laughs, so that's what matters. And I was itching to get back in my art room, so I did a lovely piece this morning, and I'm going to do another colour combo that was in my head and see if it works out. It was going to all be black navy, but I've only got a bit of this black navy, so I'm going to add some of my Berry Delicious. I know it's not going to be much of a contrast, but the colours that I'm going to add with it hopefully will give it the dishy doos, some nice contrast. Anyway, here we go. So I'm going to do this kind of composition. Ooh, I'm running to the bottom of my, just using the last of this. It is definitely a black blue, so hope that I've got enough to do what I want to do with it, but I'll just try. If not, plan B. Sort of changing the composition on this canvas. This is a 40 by 40 canvas. I've got my push pins in the bottom and my tape underneath, so it keeps the bottom clean. Not going to get much more out of that, doesn't look. Oh, there you go. Making rude sounds, but never mind. Might have a laugh. Funny how rude sounds set the kids off on bellows of laughter, which is lovely. Now I'm going to put this Berry Delicious, so it's not going to be much of a contrast, but I'm just going to try it. Why? Because I can, and why? Because I haven't done it before. Two very, very dark colours together, but hopefully what I put with them will make it pop, I've got to hope. So this Berry Delicious is the one I make up myself out of. You use a dark, very dark red, phthalo blue, and a blob of black if you want it to go very berry. So it actually can see the contrast with the black blue, but we will see. Now I wonder if you can guess what colours. Oh, that's the gecko. The gecko's happy with it. I just wondered if you can guess the colours that I'm going to put with this. I don't think you will. Probably thinking, oh, that'd be Jill's crazy colour schemes. But pretty lucky with the colours. They usually turn out okay. But having said that, may go the other way this time. So I'm going to leave that. I hope that I haven't got too much paint on there actually. Rightio. So crazy colour scheme. It's going to be all in the goldy tones. So this is actually Maple's yellow, but it is very goldy. So let's see what I can do with this. See the damage I can do, hey? With the crazy colours. And I'm going to put some of my champagne gold, which is 50% gold, 50% silver. So they're all in goldy tones that I'm putting through this. So blowing them against those very dark colours should look okay, I think. And this is just the metallic gold on its own. And I will add, I'm not sure, no I won't. I was going to add some copper, but I'm not going to. Now this is the antique gold, so as I said, they're all goldy tones, but hopefully they're going to really pop against those very dark colours. If not, plan B. That will be as I decide when I get there. So let's see. Give it a hit over with the heat wand. It's just bursting the air bubbles a little bit there. and get me, this little one is a baby Bayless, and I found it in a charity shop, and it's just been my favourite so far, even though I've got about 10 different hair dryers, because it's got a bendy handle. You can bend it so you don't have to use it that way. I bend it so I can actually use it this way, which is excellent. And this is just masking tape because I have customised the blowhole, should I say. I might actually turn this so it's like that. Might be easier for me to see how we go. So let's give this a go. Wow, very nice, love it. Wow, that just pops your socks off. Wow, 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 wow. I just want to check that out. That's gorgeous. I just need to finish off my sides, which if my edges of my canvas are not as I like when I finish, I'll wait till it all dry, and then I'll just paint the very edges with a contrasting, one of the colours. So in this instance I probably would just do the edges and the black or the berry all the way around, but that's a very sort of dark, sensual sort of, I could just imagine the type of wall that would look beautiful on. That is actually very, very special. Wow, wow, wow. So let me put some heat on that, and I need to bring you down and show it to you. I'd like to add just a bit more gold in there, maybe, just to hopefully. I'm going to need to blow it with my straw. If I put my head down there, I'll... Just needed a bit of something there. I'm not sure if that's quite what it needed, but let me... Oh, I hope I don't wreck this now. This is the champagne. This is absolutely gorgeous together. Let's give it a go. Love it, love it, love it. I'll bring you down. Come on down. Oh, just look at this, how that in the Berry Delicious with the gold. It's got that in the Berry Delicious. It's got the sparkles in that, the iridescent medium, so it gives it a really lovely shimmer as well. So yeah, particularly love the gold with the berry. The black is lovely too, but it doesn't seem to stand out as much. Well, it does stand out because it's black, but the berry seems to be just sparkling, gorgeous. You see the sparkle in the berry? It's got the iridescent medium in it to make it sparkle like that. But I am very happy with that. So I've got to hope that the drying gods favour me, and I just love that composition of that. I think it's very nice. So I hope you guys like it too. So let me know what you think, and I will be back tomorrow. So please take care of yourselves. If you're feeling sad, lonely, or need someone to talk to, please ring a family or friend, or a helpline. Don't suffer in silence. Bye for now.